Satnam everyone. Thank you Whitney for inviting us to do this quick video. So here's my how I can reflect on my experience of this doing this KYTT, and especially after doing this Kriya, to shine your aura. I'm thinking of a conversation that I had with one of my best friends, who is a massage therapist, and she mostly works with athletes. But lately, she's been attracting a lot of celebrities, like actors and singers. And she didn't ask for it, like it's just happened, like after one recommendation, two, three, like suddenly she has a list of them. And I was telling her that, although, I was grateful that I was able to get, that job opportunity that I have at the moment, things were not so great. But despite it all, like I had one of the most amazing experiences in my life as I traveled with them and the people that I was able to meet during this trip. And at the end of the conversation, we were saying that it's funny because sometimes, the universe will give you an indication of how high you can go. If you put your mind into something, if you set some intentions, if you become more intentional. And, like in my case, traveling with my job and spending days, with personalities that I never thought I would meet, presidents or head of governments or other people, that are doing like such great things, to change the world as well. Although this is not what I do or the kind of environment I'm typically in, I see it as an indication, like like from the universe, that this is as high as I can go if I become more intentional in the things that I want to do. And what I got from KYTT is, the level of self-awareness that I have now that enables me to have that sort of reflection. But then, even if in the moment I don't always see it, once I have this aha moment, then I understand that really, I can just reach for the stars with intention, and like just feel more limitless. That's it for me. Satnam.